you are diverting attention. Me mobeti me record me no asene amomo minsuro bia na omomo bia nhwe me omo mami kapre minsuro bia mu record me na mo fa komom omo ye jimifo because omo ye nyansanfo aka they will not attempt to do what they are doing. Me metro Facebook wo a special prosecutor no pe on frame me omo ye kwasiafo. What kind of nonsense is this? I'm so paying this money, eh? A brand here no with Yesika. Sammy Gyamfi with Yesika $214 million no with ya. Oni Doma how much Jessica no? Namu Montini Ekoswana. Anamuni Ghana. Can't you see the way they are suffering to defend the whole issue? Na ye can enkofo e divertation no mo pa mo record me emfa me ho anaya bremo kradodo maya co position
mayor kanini na muntumi yo focus
muntumi focus mo gusu e divert attention Jimmy for ben no Jimmy ben no mo sorry am so Sammy Gyamfi ye mo nepa Sammy Gyamfi ye say mo sorry na ma fo akire akọ Bank of Ghana na mo nim say mo videos e buy abonti ye hu ni na I don't pay you Simon in it. What kind of nonsense is that? The gentleman has messed up. For the first time, Sammy Gyamfi or explain it more than necessary. What throw more than 30 pages, but still at the up. For the first time, Sammy Gyamfi, how many times he has responded on his Facebook wall? He has responded more than 3 times on his Facebook wall. So on no any pass asamna or cano nukra. Sammy Gyamfi will, after writing the first statement on his Facebook wall, he will not come back and write anything again. Now a media house like Media General, almost said they can do jandam. Nenra omo Saturday show no, omo de Sammy Gyamfi aba no krano asaya asemono. Na NPP communicators and penny for more communicators. And then now what's a mudi nyan sign to no muti hona mu jiji mobile money muti hona mu jiji cash out mu cash it out in the name of diverting attention. Jimmy no. What has Mohammed's 34% got to do with in seminar also was a focusing on? Now the munim political attack na. Musa the best marketing expert for political strategies. Me I don't give a hoot to anybody. It's so sad. At this moment now, you're very, very poised to come back to power. No, Namugusu, I am piano man. What kind of nonsense is that? And those who are spearheading this nonsense, no me, I will respond to everybody tomorrow. Me, tomorrow I will go live and will expose all of you. Listen now, mode quiet. I catch from say, my TikTokers, NPP communicators for now toning down. We know all. Jimmy for papa. Senor,
hold on. The voice. Do you remember not too long ago? They needed your numbers.
Yeah.
They needed everybody send your mumu. Why am I? Obviously, I didn't hear. That they become an on too. The movie say I grow.
What's mama Eric
the voice. I will not lie to you. What everything Mayor is saying is true, and that's why they don't like some of us around. Because we will
how many
talk.
months na yaba opposition as a siama start Jessica all in the name of diverting attention. Na kakra na manya bebre na manya from campaign ensumu die. Amugusu diverting attention in the name of protecting Sammy Gyamfi. Sammy Gyamfi onyame ana. Mode mun koswa.
Sammy Gyamfi spares when we were in power.
Mun koswa.
By Sammy Gyamfi when we were in power.
Odi atemu ya na makofechi na mu Jessica.
The boys, what pisses me off, What pisses me off about the Sammy Gyamfi issue, Nene said, boy, we a brand near what power, no? Na yankasa young crop for no. empower no financially.
I was told.
Nadia Yan said they are boy ni bebe dear Kufuadu at Temuno. Obeko East Legon Hills, not away or share you office or Okokan, now commander say, oh, Felix, you know, we were friends before politics. And I'm saying, now, me take Canada, my court 2 years, and lose car. There's a more idea, grow. And I'm in my funny serious, I'm watching Hoka. My brother, oh God, $11,500 is what I spent for my case. So, well, Bruni's case, $11,500. Me, and I'm saying, $500 donation, my salvation army. Total 12,000 is what I lost.
Sack good there, so whatever.
2 years.
We don't hate Sammy Gyamfi. Good
2 years.
Nobody hates Sammy Gyamfi.
Who hates Sammy Gyamfi? Sammy Gyamfi.
Yeah, only answer.
We be the $214
million. Let me tell you, for those listening, let me say this. I am one person who likes young people. I am happy for the appointment of Sammy Gyamfi, my leg, but I am one person who is very happy. But sir, yet the appointment amawo, a branch here and a mebuna yama appointment. Now with the appointment, no. Kwasia nyama and someone one kasa what come opposition and then hante one men for us. I will not support any nonsense all in the name of the father. We a brand here and I say we mebuno. There be men just cry. Until you can come and write all your nonsense and all your great on this platform. I said, man, I will say it. Sammy Gyamfi on your yesu chenobia. Sammy Gyamfi. I then no. The only difference between on them say or your koko me tuntum. But beyond that, no, I dear Yankopo Dasha Masia and Nibiana one as ye, Ebiana de near 10 million tetia. But a Juma Bakwana in a Mujimi and I am all touch on your megu platform so basa without listening to what is going on. Munjai, na your mamu 200 now misbehave. The gentleman has goofed. Sikana ira $240 million. Abra yenyanuma teachers funny nurses esu bronya we kra nyomu bedi kro mu humbi ye kan wasama mu to ayampia mu betro kwase anyoma egu platform we so. Because wo ma mene wo papa akonya sikani bi a wedinti wo betro kwase agu platform we so. When I talk like that, people will listen and come and tell me that, Mayor, oh, you there, yeah, calm guy, we don't expect you to be talking like that. Me, masa, me abandon some say they are me calm, my man control, or calmness of coach now, my bedroom nada. Me calm in some way, so because a Juma Sammy Gyamfi and call for they did to us when they were in opposition. No, masa, NPP, sa calm, no, and also can be na yak opposition. They be a gentility, masha tie, and they see some lawyers funny. And also can be. We have to speak out. The radicalism must continue and stop this gentility. Gentility then for Uncle Baby.
Yo, it has a mayo.
Charlie, my stop your answer. My cocky can't say more. Now I'm so I don't know. I'm on fire this morning because I don't know. They are not doing well.
I understand.
They are not doing well.
It's like
more diverting issues. What has 34% of 2016 election got to do with what is on board current? What has it got to do with it?
Yeah, data Lord Bremer. Evening. Morning from
here. Good evening. Yeah, what about this? My dear, there is a report to be on Goldboard's website. On one website too. The report now is called. Let me open it and read. Not title. It's called BOG Trade Report Details. It's on Goldboard's website. When you look at that report, right, the report is up to 28 November. Right? That's when the report is from 2nd February to 8th November. After that report, Sika BOG did my gold board. Some fan to gold. And the value of gold board for the map beautiful. Oh yeah, math now. Gold board for the BOG for 3.5 billion cedis. 80,
Yeah.
214 million dollars.
I can see it. So that's why I was telling you that 214 is as at September. As at September. Yeah.
Now, let me tell you one thing. That 240 million, a year, gold now, if anything, build the GNO, make it loss. So if you want to see the entire loss that this gold for whatever they're doing is incurring now, that 240 million is not the only amount.
Yeah.
But build the former Sammy Gyamfi fiscal to gold. There are some days you want he doesn't bring them 1 ounce of gold to as payment for the scanner. The report it's on the website.
Yeah, it's here.
There are days you want almost this scanner, you don't return any gold. It's in there. Now, just imagine, say Anka Ayobi and a year Juma and I same way Tony Pacon. Anka by now, Sammy Gyamfi a press conference by any or no more. Anka by now, Sammy Gyamfi a friend Pacon stupid, friend a liar, friend a confor. Now, what they do, so they are, you want to explain that way. And then me tell you what, if anything, except for the interview, no, yeah, what, or yeah, what, till the train. Now, Jaffo. Now, the small, we have there, so to also and saying, now, say he was so jittery, like one said, everything in Brown winning election. Why not so sorry, no, sorry, so he wants to be brand. He wants to be brand, say he's this calm, cool, that guy. But I same way by no. What we say, a German. So Sammy Gyamfi was suddenly screaming and yelling and say, "Hey, Ujafo, say you'll be any two baby, so call you Juma, and a cat 240 million, 240 back in 9 months. In 9 months, do you think that Sammy Gyamfi will give that person a breathing space? Do you think Sammy Gyamfi will understand that if anything, the defense of the buyer, you know, if somebody has provided that defense, will Sammy Gyamfi buy that defense? No, he will not buy it. Now, as a man, may your senior can NPP one, we need deeper house cleaning. We need deep house cleaning. Some people must leave the party. Almost a party, the numbers, but some people must be stuck on the party. What do you mean, join you cool? Like you are talking against the cool now, team. A cool left, I would also be right. Sana, and I turn your bet right. I mean, this is for you.
No, but I'm seeing something here very problematic. From report,
yes,
29th September, no. Money received from Bank of Ghana, 1 billion Ghana cedis. Expected amount, 992 million Ghana cedis, which means that after tax, actual amount supplied to Bank of Ghana, 0. Actual volume supplied to Bank of Ghana in kg, 0.
Yes.
Wow.
This
was even after the IMF report. Okay, this was, it's here.
Yeah. Like I said, there are days you want more, almost call build you want. They don't return
29th September 2025. It's part. Yeah.
They don't return 1 ounce. And it's been going on. It's been going on.
I saw it. He's here.
Ain't that excuse not the bias and yeah, loss no. Now loss no dear. You say build for the gold now. Almost gold at a discount no. And it's not entirely accurate. From this report, he has made a loss or contributed 3.5 billion cedis to whatever amount they have lost. I keep telling people say that amount that is in the IMF report is not the final amount of the loss. The final amount
that's
will be more. No,
Yeah,
even crap as a settlement, still our first than it's not the final amount. It is not.
I see.
And see, and I also sometime back. Not many of and this will be GHN and so BOD is financing gold board, which is wrong because we want central bank not to finance government operation. I almost say me boy, dabi. And I'm saying BOD is funding gold board. Also, one. And I'm catching almost my dear. May 10, 2025 BOD reports about next year. I can't wait to read it. Catch all. And I'm saying, yeah, I'm saying yes. Because this is central bank financing government. But okay, OBNT, and you have MP people.
19th 19th February 2025. Bank of Ghana supply 500 million Ghana cedis. After taxes, 496 million. Amount of money supplied back to Bank of Ghana, zero. Amount of goods
Zero.
supplied to Bank of Ghana, zero. And so,
Zero.
wow.
The voice.
And
Yes,
The voice.
Angela.
Let me be quick. Why I'm sleepy. I'm going to sleep. Can you
All
guys
right.
download this document?
Yes, it's
Because
downloaded. I have it
yeah,
on my.
at the back channel, no way here free website to home who say yeah.
Yes, I downloaded it. It's here. It's on my phone.
All of you should download it and then share it
Yeah,
with some of us. We need this
sure,
information. Yeah, you know, any
sure.
website to me moon download it before yeah, be.
Right. Done.
Young for
Done.
now, some now more Canadian. I have a headache. I'm going to bed. Why? Me see me try. Makuma yeah me
Me
ya.
de, me,
Why?
me de, meji media 2000, meji media.
Tese,
As-
you are not getting me. You,
I
and
get you.
you
I understand you.
yeah, the Ghana
Yes.
Sika Wajibiadia must does that mean that you must do what they say you should do?
No.
When you were
Never.
in a position, did
Never.
they do what you wanted them to do? With all the money
Never.
that you were giving them. Right, you talk. Why?
Understand, pa.
Yeah, me, yeah.
Understand, pa. Actually, good night. Yeah, data look. Can you wrap up now? Yenko Auntie Janet sooner. We come back to
Yeah,
God
but
Thunder.
a quick one before data lot be concluded. No, please send me those
The
information
document.
voice.
Okay, let me
But
send
just
it to
to
you
also
now.
give you guys a quick information, and this I have a full grip of this information I'm going to do. My name says Sammy Gyamfi. Otua constituency executive as far as communication officers, both the substantive and then the team. Every month be Otua mo 3,000 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
Every month be Otua and they receive mobile money. And these are whether you are working or not, he is paying constituency pony. Mumbisa said regional officers no say no moje. Now muko omo communication briefing meeting. Me, this is not adia me. I am not the type who come here and lie. Sammy Gyamfi, a dank of a better so about no more 10,000 Ghana cedis for their communication briefing. Nipa bakubia 10,000 Ghana cedis. Inti mumbisa mo se Sammy Gyamfi ni sika na sen sika ye tua no buso no bia sen. Krono no obono sen no nya afri krono ne mu. Sasika no odi ma journalist for ne ye jandam work ne man no 100,000 200,000 50,000 no free fa nanse mate se o mati be se CSR project a friend saying department bi no ma share that said they are doing a project no mo de sika na fa ho no Sammy Gyamfi mo platform NDC for mo platform mo catch and say ye ba ban mu a you'll be the first person the movie will advocate for his arrest na yoko for no be on be china tu mo kan tre no me senyo me na
Abronya
maka
Yoko.
mo kan tre no
Abronya Yoko.
Sammy Gyamfi ye ba ye be china tu na obe different ne ho obe explain it go explain tire because a branch no see me see because we Ghana how we are not seeing it as a country. It is only few people who understand what is going on. And this year by with there's a calculated attempt to control the narrative with PR gimmick. Position no more diama Sammy Gyamfi no anya buapayo. It is not an unfortunate thing that they've done. A deliberate. A deliberate pa. Intermediate.
Yo,
I think, sir, it's an information I just want to share with all of you.
sure.
Once I go to bed, go and pray to God, and tomorrow
Sure.
go to church and pray for Sammy Gyamfi and his people to repent.
I sent you the document, so